Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to share one of my favorite dresses with you. This Simier Fariry women's casual midi dress is incredible. I love that it's so lightweight, super comfortable, very breathable, high quality rayon fabric that throws in the wash really nice, but it's not clingy and it's definitely not see-through, as you can see. Of course, I love a good floral print. That's one of my favorites. It's got a nice design to hide your belly with the drawstring and the elastic waistband, nice tie closure. It's super easy to dress up, dress down. I'm showing it with sandals, but also you can see with a jacket, take you maybe into fall time or some cooler nights. Just overall incredible design. Like I said, super comfortable. It's a great length. It's got that knee length, so it's nice and modest, not too short, not too long. Just overall, a great transitional closet piece that you need. So I cannot rave on this dress enough. I absolutely love it. Definitely a closet staple for me. I love the floral print. I love that it's nice and lightweight and very comfortable, but it's also gonna take me into some cooler nights. I can just throw a jacket on. Definitely think that you're gonna love it as much as I do. You need it in your closet, and that's my point of view.